Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. So for this episode, I want to make like a little wall hanging, like a little wall art deal. And I want to use some real flowers. Now I got some supplies at the Dollar Tree, some stuff on Amazon, but I don't think this is going to be very expensive. Definitely less than $20, probably less than 15. But anyway, I really hope that this turns out cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to give it to somebody, but definitely something that you guys can do too. So check this out. Okay guys, for this episode, the first thing you want to do is get a mirror, okay? I'm not trying to blind you guys, so I'm being careful with it. Anyways, so you're going to take the packaging off. Okay, and then flip it over because we're not going to use the mirror. I just want the frame, but we can use the mirror on another project. Okay, so now you have your frame. We took the mirror out, but we're going to keep the back of it, okay? All right, so then I have this vinyl contact paper, and I got it from the Dollar Tree. So it's like a charcoal sparkly deal. Anyway, we're going to take that and we're going to cover this, okay? The trick is going to be not having any bubbles. Okay, so once you have it covered, you're just gonna obviously carefully cut. Whoops, I messed up already. Okay, so once you're finished, it should be like this, nice and smooth, okay? Whatever color you've chosen, okay? Then I have these mirrored wall decor, okay? They're little butterflies. You can get whatever you want. You don't even have to do mirrors. You can do, whatever. Anyways, so these are self-adhesive. I'm going to take one out. Oh, look, it's got a baby one too. I didn't know that. Okay, cool. All right. So I'm gonna say, wait a minute, before I do this, okay, I want to make sure I knew where the hangy things are, and they're right up here. Okay, so we'll do one there. And of course we'll clean this, we'll clean the mirror before we are finished. And then I'm gonna take this other little baby one and let's see. We'll make this one go right here. Okay. Now you can do more if you want. I do not, because the next thing I want to do is I want to add some flowers, and these are real flowers, okay? I ordered them off of Amazon to use them in some resin stuff, but I was like, you know what? You can do more than that, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, so I went ahead and picked out some of the flowers and, stems and stuff that I want to use. So, I want some longer pieces, taller pieces, whatever, right around here. So I've got this like grass type stuff. So what I think we should do is kind of lay it out, you know, the way we want it first, before we like really set it down. Do you know what I mean? All right, now we have an idea of how we want this to look. So we're gonna remove all of this stuff, and now we're gonna use our Mod Podge, and I want to, I don't know how this is, you know what I think I'm gonna do? Okay, I used this box earlier for some resin stuff, but I think I'm just gonna kind of pour some Mod Podge on here, and then I'm gonna like drag the flower through it lightly. Oh, that's disgusting. What the hell? All right, anyway, so like I said, just gonna kind of drag this through here. And then maybe whack it off. Not really. I mean, you know what I mean. What a sicko. You see where it's dried right there. So it will leave a little bit of a residue, I guess, but you know, maybe it'll be okay. Maybe it'll just look like a shadow. We'll see. Okay, so I went ahead and added the little leaves and some, I don't even know what that is, fuzzy stuff. But anyway, I think that looks all right, you know, for now. And I'm going to continue with some flowers. Okay guys, for your animal fact today, we're going to talk about the puffin. The puffin is the parrot of the sea. They live in the northern Atlantic Ocean and the northern Pacific Ocean. They are little seabirds that dive into the water and get their food, which is the fish, and they dive 196 feet. That's a lot of feet, okay? Also, they can fly pretty fast, so they go up to 55 miles an hour, and they do that by flapping their wings 400 times a minute. Like, damn, okay? Now their little jaws have, or not jaws, what do you call them? Beaks. Their beaks have serrated edges, so they can hold fish better in their mouth, and they can hold up to 83 small fish at one time. Now, they are kind of dicks. They've been known to swarm and kill large dogs. Yeah, I don't know what that's about, but whatever. Anyways, guess what you call a large group of them? It's a freaking indecision, okay? A group of them is called an indecision. I want to know who makes up these freaking names. I want to do that. Can I get that job? Okay, now I'm going to add this big ass flower right over here. Okay, so now it is pretty much dry, except for that one little spot right there. But I don't know, I think it looks kind of cute. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the frame. Oh, uh-oh. This part's gonna get squished. We're gonna have to trim that off just a little bit there. Okay. And then it's got the little clips. Okay. So that's it. Now, if you want, you know, you could put the glass in there, but I don't want to. You could also bling out the edges, but I don't want to. And I don't know, I think it's cute. I'm into it. Okay, so I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you guys coming to the show. This was super easy. I just thought of it like kind of on the fly. And, you know, I hope that you liked it. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Be safe out there.